between. Don't worry. At the end of the session, by evening, we will try to post the audio or video of the lessons, the units that we have done. Is that fine?
Yeah, we'll post it in your group.
Yeah, we'll post it in your group. Don't worry. So don't disturb. Keep your mics on the mute. Now we'll come to the conversation part of Unit 1, that is Visit of Charity. Now, conversation you have asking for information. Wherever you go, you ask for information. You are new to a place. So, in your exam, you get 1 mark question. That too in the part A, 1 mark bits, short grammar. What kind of questions do you ask? Oh, what is expected? First thing is asking for information. They'll give you a situation, then they'll tell how do you find out, how do you ask to get the answer for this information. Like for asking any request or any help, how do you start? Excuse me, could you please help me? Or excuse me, if you don't mind, could you please tell me where the meeting room is? I'm sorry, but do you have any idea? Excuse me, sir, madam, could you please help me how to turn the machine off? Sir, do you know where the meeting is held? Do you know where principal's room is? Do you know how long will it take to get us one leave letter? I mean, bona fide. So all these questions you can ask. This is asking for information. Now I'll quickly take you through a PowerPoint to give you an overview of how the question paper pattern would be. So no writing on the slides. Okay. One second. You won't write on the slides. No scribbling. Now this is how you have. Can you see the slide better? Can you see? Yeah.
Yes.
Out of 80 marks, you have two sections, part A and part B. Part A has all multiple choice questions, and out of 6 questions, you are supposed to answer any 4. And each question carries 1 mark. And each question has 5 further small bits. So, totally 4 questions need to be answered, and each question has 5 marks or 20. Part B is where all your essay questions will come. That's where each question has an internal choice, A and B. And both A and B, one second. Yeah, the next one, part A, that is the grammar questions. Out of 6, you have to answer any 4. First question, Visit of Charity, 5 grammar bits. Second one from Benares, 5 grammar bits. Third one from Stanzas Written in Dejection, 5 grammar bits. Then fourth one, Julius Caesar play, 5 grammar bits. And fifth one, you could get either from writing, value orientation, or soft skills for 5 marks. This is a short paragraph. Sixth question, again either from soft skills, letter writing, or note making, which will be for 5 marks. Now, we'll move on to the next slide. Visit of Charity. How many items do you have in this lesson? 10 items. Pronunciation, you have plosives, grammar, non-finite verbs, vocabulary, simile and metaphor, spelling, IE or EI, punctuation, use of semicolon, conversation, asking for information, reading passage, Hyderabad, heart of Telangana, writing, note making, soft skills, time management, value orientation, time and tide, wait for none. Now let's look at the model. See, this is how the 5 questions will come. A, bit A, spelling using EI or IE. Second one, how do you ask for assistance to know your examination hall at the examination center? You don't know where your room number is and time is running out. So you would ask, excuse me, could you please tell me where room number 13 or 14 is there? You can ask. Then one from simile or metaphor. Camel is the ship of the desert. What is it, simile or metaphor? No answers?
Metaphor. Metaphor.
Very good.
Metaphor.
Then one from,
Metaphor.
the next one is from pronunciation. The letter B in the word bat is a dash. Plosive or nasal?
Plosive.
Good.
Plosive.
Then punctuation. You, one sentence is given, you have to use whatever punctuation you have learnt: colon, semicolon, comma, or full stop. Ram's favorite types of food are chicken biryani, not mutton, masala dosa, and butter chicken. So how do you punctuate? Do it. There's still more students waiting. So do it, solve it in your paper, and you can post the picture in the group, or you can post it to us when we give you the mail ID. This is kind of visit of charity. First unit, the grammar bits, how they would be asked. And we will look at the next one. Next one, Benaras. These are the items or the 10 parts that you have in the next lesson. Pronunciation, you would do fricatives, grammar, adjectives, vocabulary, oxymoron and hyperbole, spelling, able and able, punctuation, colon and em dash, conversation, requests, asking and agreeing or declining. You have done this in your, what do you say, first internal. Reading passage, Burrakatha and oral narrative performance. Writing, you do informal letters. Then soft skills, leadership, value orientation, pen is mightier than sword. This is an overview of your uh, SEM 2 end question paper as per the university guidelines. If you have any questions, I can post you, once it is all done, I can post the PPT to you in the group. Is that fine? How many have joined, ma? 54, ma. 54. Some of them, they couldn't, their connection got cut. Actually 58, it became 54. So I think we will stop here, and we will continue tomorrow same time 11:55 with the second lesson. Do you have any doubts in this first unit, grammar or anything that you want us to do it again? Repeat. No, ma'am. What we'll do is we'll do all the 4 units once, and then by the time you will know where your areas of difficulties are, and if you tell us, we will do that again. Okay, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are doing unit 1 tomorrow. We have little soft skills and value orientation left. We'll finish that. Ma'am will again show you how about the question paper for unit 1 once again, and then we'll move to unit 2, unit